Hi everyone, this is Aza. I'm junior mechanical major and I'm working on my first startup as part of my Barrett thesis project. Today I will be introducing my Women.edu startup. My startup aims to help women to uh, who are looking for better education opportunities through scholarship funding and other scholarships. It helps women to figure out their interests in career and after graduation. The problem is that more than 6 out of 10 girls don't have good access for undergrad education. The reason for that is mostly economical. My solution is to make a website that has a lot of collected information about scholarships and school funding. My solution has four phases. First, web construction. It includes the website looks. No, this is not good. Hi everyone, this is Aza. I'm junior mechanical major, and I'm also working on my first startup as part of my Barrett thesis project. Today I will be introducing my website, which is called women.edu, for my new startup. This startup aims to help women who are looking for better education opportunities through school funding or scholarships. The problem is more than 6 out of 10 girls don't have access to undergrad education. The reason for that is mostly economical issues. My solution is to make a website that had a lot of collective information about scholarships and school funding programs. My solution has four phases. First, web construction. It includes how the website looks like and what will be shared on it and how people will interact with it. This phase is kind of iterative phase. It will always be updated by me every single week. Second, data collection. I'm working to collect high school girls' information and scholarships and sponsors information. Third phase is about analyzing these data and set and make a pattern for this information. This phase is gonna be very important to see how my idea matches the customer's need. Lastly, making an online matching program that matches girls to scholarships and notifies them with all their options. And this is how my website looks like currently. So for this project, I'm looking forward to meet people and know what they are struggling with, other than just money, and also trying to give them like really good education opportunities through making connections with other people. I'm targeting girls who are from 15 to 30 years old who are interested to get their degree done. Collecting all information in one website and matching goals to scholarships will give me access to more than 1.8 million scholarships ad online. I'm gonna take $20 as a commission for each ad will be posted on my website. My website will be different in terms of ability to inform girls with their matched scholarships. Thank you guys for listening.